Angeles International Airport travelers.
Stop paying baggage fees. Stop bringing overloaded luggage. Meet Fly. 25 pockets and 40 features, crowd designed by 200 pro travelers. It's going to be your last travel bag. We are a travel design crew with a mission to help you stay organized and comfortable. We surveyed over 500 people from 30 different industries for the most needed features, and here we are, introducing our first flagship model, the Aviator. With the help of our partner Dan, a commercial airline pilot and flight instructor, the Aviator packs everything you need without checking a bag and paying a fee. You enjoy the space and organization of a suitcase with the comfort and flexibility of a hiking pack. This ergonomically designed backpack provides best comfort and fit in all airline size restrictions. First, the storage. The Fly bag offers 70% of the storage a typical carry-on luggage offers, but with better organization. 2 open compartments allow you to store 4 shirts, 1 pants, socks, and whatever. Each side has pockets for your dirty clothes. Next, a toiletry bag. This duo-featured, waterproof, compact bag can fit all of your washing needs, and it can be converted to use as an electronic bag, fitting all of your cables, wires, charging stations. It's 100% washable. You can hang it anywhere, in the washroom or by your bed. It also saves you 40% of space. This bag is sealed by a YKK aqua zipper, and the main compartment is locked by a TSA-approved combination lock. Your belongings are safe anywhere you go, even in hotel rooms. Next, the media organization. We call it a remote office. It's basically your moving office. What's on your working desk can all be fitting here. iPad, Kindle, hard disk, cables, cords, USB drive, portable battery. The media compartment is what you need most of the time, so we designed it to give you quick access to those items. The extra padded frame comes with shock-proof memory foam, so you don't need to worry about anything breaking when you drop your bag. The bag doesn't come with a cover as it's 100% waterproof, thanks to the X-Pack fabric and aqua zippers. The strap has an expandable mesh pocket where you can store your Metro card or even your phone. The adjustable chest strap helps you reduce weight from your shoulder to your chest, and it can be adjusted to your height. The ergonomic straps were designed to ease the weight off your shoulders. If the weather changes in your destination or on the plane, you can put your jacket on and off here. You can take your laptop in and out of the padded pocket. The bag has 2 laptop sleeves, each of which can fit a 15 or 17-inch laptop, and they are secured. The folio compartment is for documents and books, while the stationary pockets, pen dividers, and front pockets can store whatever you need. We added a secure RFID pocket hidden in the back that is spacious enough to put your entire wallet in. There is also a key clip, water bottle pocket, and microfiber pocket for your sunglasses. The bag is surrounded on all 4 sides with the strongest and lightest material for protection. To give you the best backpacking experience, we've added memory foam to the back panels. The unique Falcon wing protects your bag and also hides your straps. The 5-inch wide straps also come with extra padding. There is so much more that we want you to experience in person. We need your support to bring the design to life. All of our backpack supporters will receive a complimentary toiletry bag and 40% off the retail price. There is no markup or margin from our end. Support us now.